What's great about what we do in recombinant proteins, and especially for peprotech products, is everything from the gene design through production is owned within our four walls. We own all aspects of our product. Our customers are moving forward with some incredibly exciting research, and as they move through their preclinical and clinical trials and hopefully commercialization, they need recombinant proteins to partner with them to help them scale. There's three grades that we currently offer. The first is research use only, and this is for classical use in a research lab. We also have an animal-free product line, and so this extends from the RUO portfolio and gives customers the benefit of reducing their risk. And then the third is our GMP. And so these are products that are authorized for ancillary use and further use in potentially clinical therapies and have compliance with a range of USPs. The mission of Thermo Fisher to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer certainly resonates with me, and the healthier part of that mission certainly resonates with the work we're doing here. We work really hard every day to make sure we can deliver the best quality product and innovation to keep that science moving forward.